Okushabira Omugyenzi Canon Mary Karooro Businge Okuruut owabaireho minisita w'ebyakarimagezi hamwe na general duties kandi obwahati obaire ari omuhabuzi wa purezidenti omu nshonga z'ebyamakuru kwashombora abantu nyamwingi abarimu omuhwezi wa sipiika w'ishengero ry'ihanga Right Honorable Thomas Tayebwa owabaireho enganzi y'ihanga Right Honorable Hakana Ndugurugunda kandi abantu baijire omu kanisa ensya eya All Saints na Kasero.
The rest will be later.
Shahi shatu ezakasheshe k'erizooba omubiri gwa Mary Karooro gwahika aha kanisa ya All Saints okushabirwa kandi okushaba oku kwayebemberwa Archbishop w'Ekanisa ya Uganda Right Reverend Dr. Samuel Stephen Kazimba Mugaru. Omubiri gw'omugyenzi ogu gwaba gushendekerezibwe ab'ekitongole kya poliisi nk'ekitiinisa eky'omwebembezi w'ihanga ahaire omugyenzi. Omukushaba oku Archbishop w'Ekanisa ya Uganda His Grace Stephen Samuel Kazimba Mugaru omukushoborra kwe yayebaza omugyenzi ahabwa ebintu ebyabaire naakorera Ekanisa ya Uganda.
We know her as a Christian. We know her as a committed woman of God to the church in this diocese, but also in Western Korea diocese where a lot will be said.
Kazimba Mugaru yashoborra ngu Mary Karooro Businge abaire ari empaji mpango omukuheereza ekanisa.
We started some family fellowships to help me reaching out to a number of people, and she actually allowed her home to be used for prayers, and this is Archbishop Fellowship number 44.
Bo abaana b'omugyenzi batendereza ebintu ebinyinabo abaire n'abakorera nk'omukazi kandi abaire n'afayo aha baana be ahamwe na n'ekayi.
She would just call us and would dance. She would want a Lingala tune or Jamila, and she would challenge us to all go Pakachini. She taught us how to okugaya karo, how to make sauce, and she also made sure that she told us to always be selfless. And if we try and emulate your mom, just to have just a quarter of you, will make you proud.
Bo abarikuzarwana n'omugyenzi nabo bashoborra ngu bafeera omuntu obaire ayemereizeho ekika kyabo.
Mary and I were very close. We did almost everything together and protected each other. As most speakers have eulogized her, she was a prolific writer and a woman of many firsts. She was indeed a very special individual.
Omuhwezi wa sipiika w'ishengero ry'ihanga Right Honorable Thomas Tayebwa omukugamba kwe yashoborra ngu omugyenzi Karooro abaire ari omuntu orukukunda abantu ahamwe na n'ihanga rye kandi ahamwe na n'ekibiina kya NRM.
Maria is someone who was extremely patriotic and very committed to our country Uganda. Extremely. And beyond that, she was extremely loyal to His Excellency the President and the NRM party.
Ogu yayongera yayebaza omwebembezi w'ihanga General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni ahabw'okuhayo buli kimwe kirikubaasika okurebeka ngu bashendekereza omugyenzi omu kitiinisa.
As you know, since COVID, things changed the way the President does his programs. But he took off time to go and visit Mary in hospital and support the family. And it told he gave her an official burial.
Aga gashakwa Ronald Ngabirano ahabwa Tayari West.